Iran operates one of the most strategically layered and battle-tested military forces in the Middle East. This is every major weapon system Iran uses to deter invasion. Iranian tanks and ground vehicles. Zulfikar, 3 main battle tank. The Zulfikar 3 is Iran's most advanced domestically produced main battle tank, combining design inspiration from the M60 and T-72 platforms. It is armed with a 125mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing APFSDS, heat, and guided rounds. The tank uses composite armor with reactive armor blocks for improved protection. Powered by a diesel engine producing around 1,000 horsepower, it reaches speeds of approximately 70 kilometers per hour and is designed for high mobility in desert and urban combat environments. Karar main battle tank. The Karar is Iran's most modern operational tank and is often compared to Russia's T-90. It features a 125mm smoothbore gun with an autoloader, advanced fire control systems, thermal imaging sights, and laser range-finding capability. The tank is equipped with explosive reactive armor and cage armor for protection against anti-tank missiles. Its combat weight exceeds 50 tons, and it is optimized for both defensive warfare and rapid armored counterattacks. T-72S main battle tank. Iran operates a large fleet of upgraded T-72S tanks, many of which have been modernized domestically. These tanks retain the 125mm smoothbore cannon and feature improved night vision optics, reinforced armor packages, and upgraded fire control systems. With a combat range of approximately 460 kilometers and a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour, the T-72S remains a reliable backbone of Iran's armored forces, especially in large-scale ground engagements. Safir 74. The Safir 74 is Iran's modernization of older Soviet T-54 and T-55 tanks. Upgrades include a 105mm main gun, laser rangefinders, improved armor protection, and a more powerful diesel engine. While not comparable to modern Western tanks, the Safir 74 is cost-effective and well-suited for defensive roles, internal security, and reserve units. Its simplified maintenance makes it valuable for sustained operations under sanctions and logistical pressure. BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle. The BMP-2 serves as a key infantry fighting vehicle in Iran's ground forces. Armed with a 30mm autocannon, a coaxial machine gun, and anti-tank guided missiles, it provides both firepower and troop transport. The vehicle carries up to 7 infantry soldiers while maintaining amphibious capability. With a maximum speed of 65 kilometers per hour, the BMP-2 supports mechanized infantry units and enhances battlefield coordination between armor and ground troops. BTR-60 Armored Personnel Carrier. The BTR-60 is a wheeled armored personnel carrier used extensively by Iranian forces for troop transport and patrol missions. It is armed with a heavy machine gun and provides protection against small arms fire and shrapnel. The vehicle's 8-wheel drive system allows it to operate in rough terrain and urban environments. Although older, its reliability and mobility make it useful for logistics support and rapid troop deployment. Tufan Armored Personnel Carrier. The Tufan is an Iranian-produced armored vehicle designed for internal security and battlefield transport. It offers improved armor protection compared to earlier APCs and is equipped with heavy machine guns or automatic grenade launchers. The vehicle is optimized for counterinsurgency operations and border security missions. Its relatively lightweight and strong suspension system allow it to operate efficiently in mountainous and desert terrain. Rod Self-Propelled Artillery Vehicle. The Rod is a tracked self-propelled artillery system armed with a 155mm howitzer. It provides long-range fire support for armored and infantry units, with an effective firing range exceeding 40 kilometers using rocket-assisted shells. The system features automated loading and modern fire control electronics, allowing rapid deployment and repositioning. Rod enhances Iran's ability to deliver indirect fire while minimizing exposure to enemy counter-battery attacks. Zulfikar Armored Tactical Vehicle. The Zulfikar is a mine-resistant armored vehicle designed to protect troops from ambushes and improvised explosive devices. It features reinforced hull armor, bullet-resistant glass, and remote-controlled weapon stations. Used by both the regular army and the IRGC, it is ideal for rapid response missions and urban operations. Its high mobility and survivability make it valuable in asymmetric warfare scenarios. Kian Tactical Military Vehicle. The Kian is a light tactical vehicle developed for reconnaissance and rapid troop movement. It can be equipped with anti-tank missiles, heavy machine guns, or rocket launchers. The vehicle emphasizes speed, flexibility, and low logistical requirements. Often deployed in swarm tactics, Kian vehicles allow Iranian forces to disperse quickly, strike targets, and withdraw before enemy air or artillery response. Fighter jets, air defense aircraft, and drones. F-14A Tomcat. Iran remains the only country besides the United States to operate the F-14A Tomcat. Despite age and sanctions, Iran has kept these aircraft operational through domestic reverse engineering. The F-14A is equipped with a powerful and AWG-9 radar capable of tracking multiple aerial targets at long ranges. Armed with long-range air-to-air missiles and a 20mm cannon, the Tomcat is primarily used for air defense, interception, and deterrence missions over strategic locations. The F-40 Phantom II. The F-40 Phantom II is a twin-engine, multi-role combat aircraft used extensively by Iran. It can conduct air-to-air combat, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. With a payload capacity exceeding 7,000 kilograms, the Phantom can carry bombs, rockets, and guided missiles. Iran has upgraded avionics, navigation systems, and weapons integration to extend the aircraft's service life and maintain operational relevance. F-5E/F Tiger II. Iran operates upgraded versions of the F-5E and F-5F Tiger II, originally lightweight fighter jets. These aircraft are valued for their maneuverability, low operating cost, and ease of maintenance. Iranian upgrades include improved radar systems, digital cockpits, and compatibility with locally produced missiles. The platform also serves as the basis for Iran's indigenous fighter development programs, Sikh fighter jet. The Sikh is an Iranian-modified derivative of the F-5 platform, distinguished by its twin vertical stabilizers. Designed as a light fighter, it is used for air defense and pilot training missions. The aircraft can carry air-to-air missiles, unguided rockets, and bombs. While limited compared to modern Western fighters, Sikh represents Iran's efforts towards self-sufficiency in combat aircraft production. Kausar fighter jet. The Kausar is Iran's first domestically produced jet trainer and light combat aircraft. It features Iranian-made avionics, radar, and flight control systems. Designed primarily for training, it can also conduct light attack missions. Kausar symbolizes Iran's industrial capability to manufacture and sustain jet aircraft without foreign assistance. MiG-29 Fulcrum. Iran operates a fleet of Russian-built MiG-29 fighters used for air superiority and interception. The MiG-29 is highly maneuverable and capable of engaging targets at short and medium ranges. Equipped with infrared-guided and radar-guided missiles, it plays a critical role in Iran's layered air defense network, particularly in defending key military installations. Su-24 Fencer. The Su-24 is a supersonic strike aircraft designed for low-altitude penetration missions. Iran uses it for deep strike and precision bombing roles. With terrain following radar and high payload capacity, the Su-24 can deliver guided and unguided munitions under adverse weather conditions. It strengthens Iran's long-range strike capabilities. Unmanned aerial vehicles. Shahed-136 loitering munition. The Shahed-136 is a long-range loitering munition designed for one-way attack missions. It uses GPS-guided navigation and carries a high-explosive warhead. With a range exceeding 2,000 kilometers, it is optimized for saturation attacks against fixed targets such as airfields, radar stations, and infrastructure. A Shahed-129 mail drone. The Shahed-129 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance drone capable of surveillance and strike missions. It can remain airborne for over 24 hours and carry guided bombs or missiles. The platform provides real-time intelligence, reconnaissance, and target acquisition for Iranian forces. Mohajer-6 UAV. The Mohajer-6 is a tactical combat drone used for reconnaissance and precision strikes. It is equipped with electro-optical sensors and can carry guided munitions. With moderate endurance and low operating costs, it is well suited for border surveillance and battlefield support roles. Ababal-3 UAV. The Ababal-3 is primarily a surveillance drone used for intelligence gathering and artillery spotting. It features a stabilized camera system and can operate in contested airspace. The platform enhances situational awareness for ground and naval forces. Fotros UAV. The Fotros is one of Iran's longest-range drones, designed for strategic reconnaissance missions. It has a reported endurance of over 30 hours and can carry weapons. Its long wingspan and satellite communication capability allow operations far beyond Iran's borders. Arash-2 drone. The Arash-2 is a high-speed loitering munition designed to strike high-value targets. It features improved range, speed, and destructive capability compared to earlier designs. The drone is intended to overwhelm air defenses through mass deployment. Surface warships. Jamarin-class frigate. The Jamarin-class frigates are Iran's modern surface combatants, equipped with surface-to-surface and surface-to-air missiles, 76mm naval guns, and torpedo tubes. Displacing around 1,400 tons, Jammer-class ships feature radar and electronic warfare systems for fleet defense and coastal patrol. These frigates are capable of anti-ship, anti-air, and limited anti-submarine operations. Alvin-class frigate. Originally British-designed in the 1960s, Alvin-class frigates have been upgraded with modern missile systems and electronic countermeasures. Armed with harpoon-style anti-ship missiles and medium-caliber naval guns, they serve as multi-purpose combatants for the Iranian Navy in the Persian Gulf. Mujj-class frigate. The Mujj-class represents Iran's domestic production of multi-purpose frigates. Equipped with anti-ship missiles, torpedoes, 76mm cannons, and air defense systems, these vessels enhance Iran's naval patrol and defensive capabilities. Their integrated radar and sonar systems allow for early detection of threats in regional waters. Binder-class frigate. Binder-class ships are older, yet functional frigates used primarily for coastal defense and patrolling. They carry medium-caliber guns and surface-to-surface missiles. Despite their age, upgrades to electronics and communications extend their operational relevance. The Sina-class missile boat. The Sina-class fast attack craft is designed for hit-and-run tactics in littoral waters. Equipped with Noor anti-ship missiles, a 76mm gun, and light anti-air weapons, Sina-class boats are highly maneuverable and suited for rapid engagements along the Persian Gulf coastline. The Kaman-class missile boat. The Kaman-class missile boats are armed with anti-ship missiles, machine guns, and light cannons. Small and fast, they are optimized for swarm tactics, launching surprise attacks on larger vessels before retreating. Their speed and agility make them a critical component of Iran's asymmetric naval strategy. Ghadir-class mini-submarine. The Ghadir class is a small, diesel-electric submarine designed for coastal defense and shallow water operations. It can launch torpedoes and naval mines, providing Iran with stealth capabilities in strategic choke points like the Strait of Hormuz. Its low profile allows for covert operations and ambushes against larger ships. The Fateh-class submarine. The Fateh-class submarines are medium-sized, domestically produced vessels capable of firing torpedoes and laying mines. They are designed for littoral defense, but can operate in deeper waters as well. Fateh submarines enhance Iran's underwater deterrence and strategic reach. Nahang-class submarine. The Nahang is a mini-submarine optimized for special operations and coastal patrol. Its small size allows for discreet movement in shallow waters, deploying reconnaissance teams or launching torpedoes. These submarines support Iran's layered anti-access strategy. Kilo-class submarine. Project 877 ECAM. Purchased from Russia, Kilo-class submarines are diesel-electric vessels armed with torpedoes and capable of anti-ship and anti-submarine warfare. With a range of several thousand kilometers, these submarines provide Iran with a credible underwater threat in both defensive and offensive roles. Naval missiles and artillery. Noor anti-ship missile. The Noor is an Iranian-produced version of the Chinese C-802 missile. Capable of striking targets over 120 kilometers away, it is deployed on fast attack boats, frigates, and coastal batteries. Its radar guidance and maneuverable flight path make it effective against both ships and stationary targets. Deter anti-ship missile. The Deter missile is a longer-range, sea-skimming anti-ship weapon capable of hitting targets beyond 200 kilometers. Mounted on both surface vessels and coastal launchers, it strengthens Iran's asymmetric maritime strike capabilities. Kausar naval missile. Kausar missiles are short-range, fast anti-ship weapons mounted on small vessels. Designed for quick engagement, they enable swarm attacks to overwhelm enemy defenses. Soldier weapons and small arms. The KH-202 K-bar assault rifle. The KH-202 is an Iranian bullpup assault rifle chambered in 5.56 by 45mm NATO. Its compact design allows effective use in urban and close-quarters combat while maintaining a full-length barrel. The rifle features polymer construction, ambidextrous controls, and compatibility with optical sights. It is designed for modern infantry units requiring maneuverability and reduced overall length without sacrificing accuracy. The KL-7.62 assault rifle. The KL-7.62 is a domestically produced Iranian rifle based on the AK platform. Chambered in 7.62 by 39mm, it is valued for reliability, simplicity, and durability under harsh battlefield conditions. The rifle is widely used by regular forces and reserve units, especially in desert and mountainous terrain where ruggedness is critical. Ikangro 3, licensed/modified. Iran operates locally produced or modified variants of the AK-103. This modernized Kalashnikov rifle includes polymer furniture, improved muzzle devices, and optical mounting rails. It provides consistent performance in extreme environments and remains a staple weapon for infantry and paramilitary forces. G3A6 battle rifle. The G3A6, chambered in 7.62 by 51 mm NATO, has been produced under license in Iran for decades. Known for its long-range accuracy and stopping power, it is used by designated marksmen and border units. Despite its weight, the G3 remains effective for defensive and long-range engagements, machine guns, and support weapons. PKM General Purpose Machine Gun. The PKM is a belt-fed 7.62 by 54 mm machine gun used for sustained suppressive fire. It is lightweight for its class and highly reliable. Iranian forces deploy it at squad and vehicle levels to provide continuous fire support during combat operations. MG3 machine gun. Derived from the German MG42, the MG3 is known for its extremely high rate of fire. Chambered in 7.62 by 51 mm NATO, it is used for defensive positions and vehicle mounts. Its high firepower makes it effective for area denial and suppressive roles. DSHK heavy machine gun. The DSHK is a 12.7 mm heavy machine gun used for anti-aircraft and anti-vehicle roles. Mounted on vehicles or fixed positions, it provides long-range firepower against low-flying aircraft and lightly armored targets. Sniper and precision weapons. AM50 Sayyad sniper rifle. The AM50 Sayyad is a large-caliber anti-material rifle chambered in 12.7 by 99 mm. It is designed to disable vehicles, radar systems, and fortified positions. With a long effective range and high penetration capability, it is used by elite units for strategic targeting. Shatra sniper rifle. The Shahr is an Iranian-designed precision rifle chambered in 7.62 mm. It features optical sights and improved barrel design for accuracy. The rifle supports long-range engagements and reconnaissance missions. Anti-tank and rocket systems. Tufan anti-tank guided missile. The Tufan is a wire-guided anti-tank missile based on the TOW system. Capable of penetrating heavy armor, it is deployed by infantry units to counter armored threats. It has a range of up to 3.75 kilometers and is effective against tanks and fortified positions. Delavi ATGM. The Delavi is a laser-guided anti-tank missile comparable to the Cornet system. It offers high penetration and accuracy at long ranges. The system is portable and vehicle-mounted, making it versatile for defensive and ambush tactics. RPG-7 upgraded variants. Iran uses upgraded RPG-7 systems with improved warheads. Effective against armored vehicles and infantry positions, the RPG-7 remains a simple yet powerful infantry weapon, particularly in urban combat. Air defense and infantry missiles. Missile-2 manpads. The Missile-2 is a shoulder-fired surface-to-air missile designed to engage low-flying aircraft and helicopters. Using infrared guidance, it provides infantry units with organic air defense capability against aerial threats. Sega manpads. The Sega is an upgraded portable air defense missile with improved tracking and resistance to countermeasures. It strengthens Iran's layered air defense approach at the infantry level, sidearms, and close combat weapons. Zulfikar pistol. The Zulfikar is a domestically produced 9mm semi-automatic pistol used by officers and special units. It is lightweight, reliable, and suitable for close-quarters engagements. Rod submachine gun. The Rod SMG is designed for special forces and urban warfare. Compact and controllable, it fires pistol-caliber ammunition and supports rapid movement in confined environments.